Just a quick update, guys. So what I'm showing on my screen here was from my previous Outlook video, where essentially I said it's very possible that we get a continuation lower from here, and there's a few good levels that we could be looking at for the buys, this being one. So if we pan over to what actually played out and provide a bit of an update from this point forward. So essentially this is what played out. So at the time of the video we were up here, and I mentioned likely we'd get a pullback and continuation lower to take this low into the daily fair value gap and the higher time frame Buy OTE. We could assess the reaction from here and see if we're going to switch to buying or whether we're going to be more likely to see a sell continuation. So price engaged the high time frame OTE. We've had a displacement range higher. Price has come up here and not quite wicked the daily fair value gap yet, but there's been a few days of consolidation. And then New York session has displaced lower, engaged the Buy OTE of this range here, and then has given a strong push higher during Asia session. So what can we expect from here? One other thing we can see is New York PM session has given a SMT rejection from this OTE. So the 1400 hourly candle swept the 13 on silver. So we do have time alignment on this SMT, however we are rolling into the 6th, so we'll wait and see whether this SMR can hold or not. As another observation, we can see that if this gives a strong close, we've had the formation of a fair value gap with this push away from this key higher time frame level. So to be honest, I'm waiting for this hourly to close, and as long as we get a strong close, we get correlation with all assets forming a displacement range away from this point of interest, I'll classify this as a confirmed smart money reversal. So if that can form, there's another 18 minutes left. We can expect that later today we will get a continuation buy from this new range that's formed, either from the fair value gap or from the range, the OTE of the new range. Something like that. So we may see price consolidate, retrace down, tag the OTE where we can look for an entry for buyers, or alternatively, so yeah, if the smart money reversal can't confirm and it closes over this gap and that's correlated across the assets, we can see that this is a perfect push up and respect of the Sell OTE. So I'll just mark that out quickly. Sell OTE. So if the SMR from this buy level invalidates, we'll likely see a manipulation of that high and a continuation sell lower, where we can target this low here with a sell. So in summary, the SMR confirms. I'm going to call it validated with a formation of a fair value gap here, correlated with its correlated assets, and in which case we could see a little bit of consolidation, a dump down to the OTE, and then it buys, and then we look for an entry down here. Or it invalidates, and then it's likely that this is just a push up to the Sell OTE. Might see a sweep of that highs, and then a continuation sell, targeting this low here. So I hope you enjoyed this Outlook update. Hopefully it provides you some clarity for your trading today. And if you like this video, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future Outlook releases. Thanks for watching.